To integrate Fifth Third Bank online banking, start by gathering the required information, including your account number, social security number, and email address. Next, go to the Fifth Third Bank website and click on the Enroll in Online Banking option. You will be directed to a page where you will be asked to provide your personal and account information. Fill in the required fields and submit the form to create your online banking account. Once you have submitted the form, you will receive an email with instructions on how to verify your account. After verifying your account, you will be able to log in to your online banking account using your username and password. From here, you can view your account balances, transaction history, and pay bills online. You can also set up account alerts and transfer funds between accounts. To set up account alerts, log into your online banking account and click on the Alerts option. You can choose to receive alerts for low account balances, large transactions, and other activities. To transfer funds, click on the Transfer option and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. It is also important to keep your online banking account secure by using a strong password and keeping your account information confidential. You should also monitor your account activity regularly to detect any suspicious transactions. In addition to online banking, Fifth Third Bank also offers mobile banking, which allows you to access your account information and conduct transactions on your mobile device. To use mobile banking, download the Fifth Third Bank mobile app and log in to your account using your username and password. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Fifth Third Bank online banking and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers. Remember to always keep your account information secure and monitor your account activity regularly to ensure the security of your funds.